Good morning, 8th class children. Get ready for class. Open textbook, notebook, and take pen. We did in previous class on this chapter finding square roots for 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, and 6 digits of a perfect square. We find square root of a given perfect square. If there are 2 digits in a square number, perfect square number, there is only 1 digit in square. If there are 3 digits in a perfect square, we get 2 digits in a square. Suppose 169 square root, it is 13 square. Square root of 3 digits are there, we get 5756. The root is square of 24. And for 3 digits always 2 digits. For 4 digits also we get 2 digits. For 4 digits 1024 suppose. We get here 2 digits 32. We did in previous class. If there are 6 digits in a perfect square, we get 3 digits in a square. So you take pairs and make half. Then for each there are 6 pairs. We get 6 digits in square. If there are only 2 pairs of 69 and 1. So we get 2. For 4 also see here this is 1 pair 2. We are getting 2 pairs. For every pair we are getting 80. This is the square. Like that you do. Okay. Now we know a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is a perfect square. Then what is square root? A plus b. Suppose a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the root is a minus b whole square. And the root this is a plus b whole square, and the root we can write on a plus b. And the root a minus b, like since it is a perfect square, suppose a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, suppose square root of this. This is nothing but we know this is the square of a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. Square root makes simply we write a plus b plus c. Like this. So let us do this problem. On square root, find the value of 7. One problem I am telling you from this 2809 by 4096 root. There is square root for numerator and denominator. Let us find the square root for numerator. 2809. Let us make pairs. Read the table. 5 5 are 25 going. 6 6 are 36. Mark going. So here 5 5 are 5 5 are 25. Okay. Remainder is 309. 5 5 10. Last digit is 9. It is possible with 3. This is a 9. Or if it is not divisible by 3, definitely it is divisible by 7. 7 7 is 49. Last digit is 9. So here 3. 3 3 is 9. 3 0 0. So for the first page 3 5. Second page 3. So 53. For denominator 4096. So make page 40 is there. Read the table. 5 5 is 25. 6 6 is 36. 7 7 is 49 not going. So 6 6 is 36. Remainder 4 96. Repeat the same number. Here 5 we are reading. Repeat the same number. 3 3 repeat. So this is add 12. Now last one is 6. It is possible with 4 or 6. 4 4 are 16. 4 are weight. 4 4 are 16. 4 2 are 8 or 9. 4 1 are 4. Remainder 0. For the first page 6. For the second page 4. So square root is 64 for numerator. For numerator 53 by denominator 64. This is the answer. Separately we have to find square root for numerator and denominator, then write the answers. That's all. Now here given find the value of 7th question. Like that you do others. Root 9216 is equal to find the value, and from this value root 92.16 plus 9.216. Add 9.216. We have to find the square root for this 99,216. 9,216 square root is make page first. 92. 9 9s are 81. 10 10s are 100 not going. So 9 9s are 81. Subtract 1 1 and repeat the same number and add plus. Here also add plus. Here plus, add 5 plus 10. Now take the page at a time. 60. Last digit is 6. It is divisible. It is possible with 4 or 5, 4 or 6. So the possible number is here 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 8 are 48. 3 51. 6 5 11. So 96. Square root of this is 96. So he is asking, and the root decimals are 2 digits. The square root we get 9.6 plus 9.216. Adding 9.216. Add 6189918. So this is the answer. 7. Here only given decimal. Here 2 digits are there. 1 digit we get in the square. If there are decimal is in the after 4 digits, you take 2 digits. Like suppose 0.926, 0.9216. Suppose what is its square root? We did already for a whole number. 96 digits are 2. So 96 is the 0.96, 2 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. In the square root, make half 2. Like. And one more question. 8. Find the square roots of find square roots of 4116 and then square root of 1764 and hence find the value of square root of 0.2116 plus 0.1764 by 0.216 minus 0.1764. Find the value. Simply we have to first find square roots, then substitute. Okay. Let us find square root for 2116. Make page first. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25, not break. So 16. Remainder 5. 1 6. Repeat the same number and add 8. Now last digit is 6. It is possible with the 6 are 4 or 6. 4s are not going, 6 are going. 6 6 are 36, 48 3 51. Remainder is 0. So for the first page 4, for the second page 46. Okay, and another 1764. Make page first. 4 4 the 16 going and 164. And repeat the same number 8 2 the 4 2 8 the 16. Remainder is 0. 42. Now substitute the values in the given problem. Here decimals are 4. So in the square root we get 0.46 plus 0.42. Okay, by 0.46 minus 0.42. Now addition is 88 0.88 by 0.02. Subtract from 0.46 0.42. The remainder is 6 minus 4 0.4. 6 minus 4, yes. Both the decimals are same. So 88 by 4 we can write, because here 2 places are there, here also 2 places are there, decimal places. So we can cancel. This is nothing but 22 answer. Okay. Next, Multiple choice questions are there. I will complete it. Next, 9. The value of 3 by 0.09 on the root. Your answers are given 1 by 10, A, and B 3 by 10, C 1, D 10. This is nothing but we know the square root. 3 by square root of 9 is 3. 2 digits are there, only 1 digit. 0.3. We can remove this decimal and put 10 in the numerator. 3 ones are 3 ones are cancelled, we get answer 10. So answer is 10. D correct. For 9th, D. 10th, one of the numbers, then of the numbers 0.16, square root of 0.16 and 0.016. The least number is A 0.16 squared, B 0.16 and C 0.016, D 0.16. See here, 3 numbers are given. Here only 0.16. Its square root is 16.4, 0.04. 2 digits are there, only 1 digit, 0.4. And this is 0.16. 3 places are there. Here only 1 place. So this is greater number. The least number asking. The least number is 3 places are there. So this is the least. Here first place 1. Here first place 4. Here first place 0. So the least number asking is least. So 0.16. C correct. C 10C. And another number 3 beats. 9%. 9 D 10 correct. Next question 11. 11. Square root of 0.0025 into square root of 2.25 into square root of 0.001 is equal to answer A 0.4075 and 2 zeros 0.2075, C 0.075 and D 3 zeros 0.0075. So this is easy. Let us multiply first. Its value, its square root is decimal is 4. So if the square root we get 2 decimals. This is the square root is 15 squared. Two decimals are there, you can write 1.5. And here four decimals are there, two decimals in the square. Here four decimals, two decimals in the square. Here two decimals places, one place. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here one square root is 1. Multiply 15 5 are 75. Product is 75. Okay. 75 5 are how many decimals? Here 2, here 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 places. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where is it? 3. So this is level is B. Like this. So we have to calculate and do. And the 12th square root of mixed fraction given 1337 by 3844 square root A 235 by 64 and B 133 by 62 and C 117 by 62 and D 223 by 62. Okay. See, let us find the square root for mixed fraction. Let us convert into improper fraction. Multiply these two. Multiply these two and add 3844. 3844 into 2. 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8, 16 and 7. And add 1337. This is 15, 8 4 12, 9025. Okay. Now let us find the square roots for 90 numerator. This is nothing but converting this as improper fraction 9025 by 3844 under root. Okay. For 9025 square root is 9 9s are 81. Pair it and repeat the same number and add remainder 9 25. 5s are 5 5s are 25, 42 9 and 95. Okay. Numerator is 95. What about denominator? 3844. Make pairs. 6 6 are going 36. Remainder 2 4 4. 6 repeat add and add. 2s are going. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 62. So numerator is 95 by 62 and convert it to mixed fraction. 95 is divided by 62. 62, 95, 1 the 62, remainder 3, 3. So 133 by 62. Now where is it? 133 A. 133 by 62 B. B is correct. So 12th question is B. Now similarly 13th question. 59.29 plus root 5.29 by 59.29 minus root 5.29. So let us find the square roots. Answers are given equal to A 1, B 0.65, C 0.45, D 0.5. Let us calculate square roots and substitute the values. We get the answer. Now, let us find square root. 5924. 5929. I think we didn't find previously. Now let us find square root. 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49, 8 8 are 64 not going, so 7 are going 49. Remainder 10, take 2 9 at a time. 7 plus 7 14, add, and it is divisible by 7 because 9 is there. 3s are not going, 7s are going. Repeat the same number. 7 7 are 49, 28 4 32, 7 1 are 7 3 10. So like this, 7 7. Decimals are 2 places to 1 place. And 5.29. 5.29 we know orally 23. Making pairs we can put 0 also. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1, 2 9 we can take, put decimal, and 4 will be small number, 3s are going. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So 2.3. Now substitute the values here. 7.7 plus 2.3 by 7.7 minus 2.3. Add minus. Now adding this becomes 10. 7.7 plus 2.3, 10 by 5.4. Subtract 7.7 minus 2.3. 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 2, 5. 4. Now 10 by 24. 54. Now this is a decimal fraction plus 10. 54 minus. But we are given a minus up to down plus. So 5.4 up to 5.4 up to subtract. 7.7 minus 2.3 by plus 7.7 plus 2.3. Now this is 5.4 by 10. One decimal is there. We can write this as 0.54. Where is 0.54? D. D correct. So correct is D. So like this we have to do. And from next class let us do other problems.